Hello and welcome to our automated business system, where you can make unlimited, instant commissions of $100, $500, to $1,000 paid instantly and directly to you daily, building substantial incomes for many, and even wealth for others. Out of the endless sea of business opportunities online today, from affiliate marketing to network marketing, the following is an outline of reasons as to why this business model has become the winning choice for veteran online marketers and newbies alike. Number 1. Simplicity. Today there are people of all ages and experience levels looking for a way to make an income online, so simplicity of operations is crucial for everyone's success. This is one of the most automated and simplest businesses to operate online, period. Everything from websites and capture pages to leads and email follow-up are all included to help ensure your success, and the same is provided for each person who purchases our system package from you. Our product line is an amazing virtual library of success for any online business. Number 2. Minimal investment of time, effort and money. We all know that traditional businesses take a great deal of preparation, time, and investment of thousands or much more. Affiliate marketing and network marketing may be a low investment level, yet a very high investment in your time, whether it be training and building downlines or putting money back into your business, struggling with cash flow when the average commissions are very minimal. We provide a platform that literally eliminates all of those challenges at a fraction of the startup cost of a traditional business, so you can potentially be in profit in week 1, or even day 1. Number 3. Cash flow. Immediate cash flow changes everything. Unlike most other online business models where you're working in a constant mode of a negative cash flow, you can be receiving instant payments that come directly to you daily. It puts you at ease, and you can put a portion back into your business while building your bank account substantially at the same time. It's a win-win situation all around. Number 4. Even though most questions are handled via email, our optional call center is the perfect solution for those who either don't feel comfortable on the phone or don't have the time. This is an absolute game changer for the success of some. Number 5. Leadership and guidance. The final piece of this equation is working with the right people that have the experience and leadership to help elevate you to the highest levels of success. If you're watching this video, you're in the right place, at the right time. We're a team of leaders that not only have decades of experience, we take pride in helping everyone succeed. We provide all the added resources and tools like this video overview that we've created for our team. The last, very important element of this business is that it is a worldwide opportunity. So just like there are no limits in connecting with others online, there are no limits to prospects for your business. All the elements are in place to give you your best chance for online success. For complete details, simply click on the button on this page. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.